Welcome to Yoga with me. I'm Lena. I'm going to take you through a soothing bedtime routine. It's going to be laying down, so you can do this on the mat or in your bed. So get cozy and comfortable and let's get started. So come laying down on the mat. And just bringing your heels together and relaxing your legs. You might want to place your palms on the belly or by your side, whatever feels comfortable. And just close your eyes. Take a deep breath and just feel yourself just letting go of your day, winding down, letting go of any tensions. Just taking a deep breath. And with each breath, just feel yourself becoming more and more relaxed, allowing your breath to flow to your belly more and more with each breath, making it deeper and just relaxing into it. And I encourage you for this class, close your eyes, breathe deeply, letting go and becoming relaxed. Taking a couple of more deep breaths here. And then bringing your knees together, feet flat on the ground. And then taking one leg and straightening on the mat, bringing the other leg towards you gently. Just feeling a lovely stretch here. And then taking your hand to your foot. If you can't do that, maybe you might want to bring it behind your knees. And again, just pulling it towards you. Now, if you can, take your hand to your foot or even your calf. It will help to make the stretch even better. You might want to straighten it and bringing it forward. Straighten and bringing it forward. One more time. Straighten if you can, as much as you can, and bringing it forward. And then bending the other leg, just placing the knee on top. You can either take your hands behind the thigh or on your shin, just bringing it towards you, taking a deep breath here. Just being really gentle with yourself, slowing down from your day, completely relaxed. Then placing the foot back onto the mat, we're just going to come into a twist. So taking your hands out and then just taking the knees, the legs one way and the head the other way. Now if this is too much, just bring both feet flat on the mat and then come in that direction. Just do what feels comfortable to you. Feeling a lovely stretch on the hip here. Just really becoming more and more relaxed. Remember to just breathe deeply. When you breathe deeply, you're oxygenating your whole body. Mind is becoming relaxed. And just it will help you to wind down from your day. Take one more deep breath here and then come up with your legs, both feet flat on the ground. Placing your other foot flat on the mat and bringing the other knee towards you, pulling it towards your heart. Breathing deeply here, just relaxing into it. Remember, just make each breath deeper, allowing the whole body to be nourished with oxygen and the mind becoming relaxed and more present and just winding down from your day. And then taking the hands either behind your knee, or you might be able to take them behind your calf or even your foot. You might be able to stretch it and bend it, stretch it and bend it, stretch it and bend it. And then placing the foot on the opposite knee, placing your hands underneath the thigh or even on the shin, pulling it towards you just gently, slowly, taking deep breaths here. One more deep breath in here. And placing foot on the mat. I'm going to do a twist here. So taking your arms out like a T. And you're going to come over one direction and the head on the other. Remember, if it's too much to do that, place both feet on the mat and take the knees in one direction, head in the other direction. So do what feels comfortable to you. Should feel really, really nice on the hip, and just relax into it. Remember to make each breath deeper. The deeper you breathe, the deeper you are nourishing your whole body, your organs, your skin, your brain, and your mind is also relaxing and becoming quiet. Taking one more deep breath in here, bringing your legs to the center, head to the center. Now we're going to do something called banana, just taking legs over to one direction, and we're taking the hands in the same direction, looking a bit like a banana, just feeling a beautiful stretch on the side, the opposite side that you're moving. You might want to leave your legs like this, or if you want to have more of a stretch, you can bring one foot over the other. Really feeling a lovely stretch there, lovely on the side of the body. And then bringing the head and the legs in the opposite direction. You can stay with your legs together or bringing one foot over the other, just relaxing into it. Feeling a beautiful stretch on the side of the body. Close your eyes and just relax into it. Breathe. One more deep breath in and breathing out, and then just bringing your feet to the center, the arms on the mat by your hips, and just relaxing here. I'm going to leave you here. Pull the covers over if you're in bed, or just relax for a few moments if you're on the mat. I hope you enjoyed this practice. Do share it with others who may benefit. Subscribe and follow for more classes. And I look forward to practicing with you again. So until next time, namaste.